Hi, class one and two. Wow, it's our last day of school at home. Can you believe our last day? So we're going to see you next week, and we're so excited to see you next week. So we're going to do some science this morning, and we're going to do something, an activity, that just sums up everything that we've been learning about materials and their properties. So it's a fairly simple activity for you to do today. So I'm just going to give you a quick reminder of what we've been learning before you do your activity. Okay, children, so here we go. So we've been learning about properties, haven't we? What an object is like. Now, these children here are all trying to think of words that they could use to describe what this teddy bear is like that you can see on the screen. What words do you think you could use to describe the properties of this teddy bear? You could use words like soft. You could use words like dull because it isn't shiny, is it? Now, if you put this teddy bear in water, do you think it would be waterproof? Do you think the water would just drip off it? It wouldn't be waterproof, so it's not waterproof. Do you think this teddy bear would be absorbent? Would it soak the water up like a sponge? Or would it be non-absorbent? Would it just drip off? I think if we put this teddy bear in water, it would soak up the water, wouldn't it? So it's absorbent. Do you think this teddy bear is bendy? Do you think you can twist it and make it into different shapes? Probably, yes, because teddy bears are quite fluffy and squishy, aren't they? So I probably would describe a teddy bear as being bendy. So those are just a few words, a few properties that I've used to describe this teddy bear. So we can use things like soft, hard. All of these things on this picture are hard. Flexible. A teddy bear might be flexible. Transparent, something that you can see through. And there's all of these keywords that we've been looking at for a few weeks now on this screen. Hard, soft, stretchy, stiff, shiny, dull, rough, smooth, bendy, not bendy, waterproof, not waterproof, absorbent, not absorbent, opaque, which means you can't see through it, and transparent, which means that you can. So these are all the words that we've been looking at over the last few weeks in science. Now you're going to need to try and remember some of these words for today's activity. Now this is what you're going to do. This is a sheet that you're going to print off, and I want you to choose two objects from around your home or around the classroom. So any object. And then I want you to draw your objects. So we're going to draw object 1 in this part of the sheet here, and then object 2 on this part of the sheet here. So you're going to draw your two objects. And then around the objects, I'm just going to show you an example that I've done. So I've chosen a pair of scissors as my object. So you could draw a pair of scissors. Then around the scissors, I've got some words, some properties to describe what the scissors are like. So I've chosen the words shiny. I've chosen the word opaque, not bendy, and hard. Do you remember what the word opaque means? It means you can't see through it. You can't see through scissors, can you, like you can through glass? So I've used the word opaque to describe them. Now I've chosen 1, 2, 3, I've chosen 4 words for my object. And I would like you to try and choose at least 4 words and write them around your object. Now I've got to choose another object to do on this side of the sheet here. So let's see what I've chosen. I've chosen a glass. Now then, what words could I use to describe the glass? What properties have I chosen? I've chosen waterproof because the water stays in the glass, doesn't it? So it's waterproof. I've chosen transparent because you can see through the glass. I've chosen smooth. Glasses are nice and smooth, aren't they, when you hold them? I've chosen a 3 there. Now, these are the list of properties that you can use to help you. So this is a printout that you can print out and then choose some of those words to write around your object. So it will help you with your spelling as well. So try and choose around 3 or 4 words to write around the objects that you draw. And if you can colour in the object that you draw, that would be brilliant because I do like a bit of colour. Okay, children, so your activity today is to draw 2 objects and write down some properties around each object. Okay, children, look forward to seeing that today. Have a lovely rest of the day. Okay, bye for now, everybody. Bye-bye.